Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your friends list from your Facebook profile. So what you need to do is first open your Facebook, and from here after opening your Facebook, you need to go down and click on your logo. And after that, after clicking on your logo, you will be redirected to this page. And now what you need to do is select this gear icon, and then you will be again redirected to this page. After coming to this page, you need to tap this search icon, and here just type friends. And after typing friends, you will be shown these options. What you need to do is tap this option. It says who can see your friend list. After that, as you can see here, you need to tap here once, and you will be shown these options. What you need to do is tap the only me button here, and now only you can see your friend list. No one else will be able to see your friend list. So yeah, that's how you hide your friends list on your Facebook account.